Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Now, before I get into my comment on the comment of text 14 of chapter 8 in this book, let me share my comment of the lectures. Above all, teachers who pass on and live scripture and commentary is the sent one, and God is over them all. Have humility with that you are giving and acting with means you are given. Love willingly and intelligently. People may fight and then become friends. Trust, then verify. God consciousness makes one immune from spiritual death. A comment that I could add from the part that I was listening to for the next lecture, which I did not write down. Oh, no, it's a different lecture, so it's not associated with this. It's saying that when the prophets asked for forgiveness, they were really asking for protection. Trust and verify. Friends. God consciousness, okay, makes one immune from spiritual death. The struggle for material existence is constant in life, but go beyond birth and death and maintain that which might not be so. By particular conditions. I can't read what word I wrote. NGED. Okay. Gender, class, and nationality don't hinder or cause spiritual position nor acceptance. We automatically are by choice, are always in groups, but we become of the party of God. Don't become impersonal, nor void. Don't let your identity depend on the body. Loving is the natural condition, but it is directed where we want. God communicates by the superior, comparison, and confidentially. Religion is more than a claim, but a system around facts. True perfection is beyond birth, sickness, old age, and death. Don't treat temples as charms, but keep using houses of worship. Surrender to God is a choice. People have merit for science, but their use of it may keep them from God. God will accept the sinner who surrenders. And they will be. Can't read that. But they'll be helped forth in their attaining to God consciousness in action. God is the only uncontrolled. Good and truth don't depend on belief in them, nor for any particular path. Humans are prone to physical diseases and ailments, insanity, and moral or spiritual failure. We are perplexed till we take up the key of the purpose and meaning of life. God is one, but from the one come the many. God is one, but from the one come the many. Take advantage of your opportunity in the basics. Religion is more than entertainment or healing, but a connection. God is not the form, nor energy, but it all relies on His control. Not all rightful examples could or even should be followed by a particular individual. Yeah, you hear of a prophet who married a lot of women or something like that. That's not necessarily, oh, we better follow that. It's like, well, even if you could follow that part, there's other parts about it that you couldn't follow, right? Every celestial sphere or moon, or at least comparable size item, has higher life. Lifespans are what was needed, but vary per sphere. Don't produce children if you think you can't give them the opportunity to never become incarnated. Reincarnated. Live this life as if it is one's only life. Surrendering to something is automatic, but we must learn to make a submission that is to what is qualified. And how? We can't enumerate this material universe, but it is small in the scheme of existence. Pantheism comes from the presence of God in the creation. We shouldn't worship these forms or energy, but internalize and realize what we are connecting to. And I think this is program 29. And in the Kappa Upanishad 1, 2, 23. Yam chavrnate tanalam yas tasya satma vivrnate tanam svam. And there are some things, like the nature of God, that until you're fully in it, the state of undefiled knowledge, absolute righteousness, as I've called it in my little glyph at the corner of these things, glyphs. And so when you're fully in that, you understand. And so devotional service is the Santa Bhakta, the neutrality. We can't always be positive. That's gotta serve otherwise. Dasya Bhakta, the servant stage of the devotional service, Sakya Bhakta, the friend stage of the devotional service, Vatsalya Bhakta, the parent stage of the devotional service, the Madhurya Bhakta, the lover stage of the devotional service. And is the wind blowing the door back there? But let me close with the chant as usual, right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And once more, after the final note, the Jnana Yoga, the Karma Yogi, the Hatha Yogi, the Bhakti Yogi is supposed to go beyond these self-interests. Yes, the intellectual, the fruitive, the Hatha's balance. Is that what Hatha means? But Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.